We have a nice equation problem here. AB equals 90, BC equals 110, C equals 99. We have to find the value of A square plus B square plus C square. We can give this one as equation 1, this one as equation 2, this one as equation 3. Now, if we multiply equation 1 with equation 2 and divide it by equation 3, we get on the left side AB times BC divided by CA, and on the right side the value of AB is 90 times BC is 110 and CA is 99. If we divide 90 by 9, we get 10, and if we divide 99 by 9, we get 11, and if we divide 110 by 11, we get 10. So on the left side we can cancel this C and this A, which gives us B square equals 10 times 10 is 100. This is our first value. Next, we can divide equation 2 and multiply with equation 3 and divide by equation 1, which gives us BC times equation 3 is CA divided by AB, and on the right side we get the value of BC is 110 times the value of CA is 99 and the value of AB is 90. So we can cancel this 0 and we can divide 99 by 9, which gives us 11, and on the left side we can cancel this A and this B and B, which gives us C square equals 121. This is our second value. Next, we can first multiply equation 3 with equation 1 and divide it by equation 2, which gives us equation 3 is CA times AB divided by BC. On the right side we get the value of CA is 99, the value of CA is 99, AB is 90, the value of AB is 90, and the value of BC is 110. We can cancel this 0 and we can divide 99 by 11, which gives us 9, and on the left side we can cancel this B and we can cancel this C, which gives us A square equals 9 times 9 is 81. So we have got the value of A square, C square and B square. Now we have to add these three values, which gives us A square plus B square plus C square equals A square is 81, B square is 100, B square is 100 plus C square is 121. which gives us 2, and 8 and 2 means 0. We have 1, 302. So this is our desired value. Thanks for watching the video.